kids. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all fine. Today, I draw national flags of different countries. A county is recognized by its national flag. Flags are the identity of a nation. First of all, draw Iran flag. Iran is a Muslim country. Iran's flag is the identity of Iranian people. You know Iran is surrounded by mountains and hills. Iran is a beautiful country. Now, draw Israel flag. Israel is a Jews country. The Israel is low populated country. Israel is a very small country. Draw American flag. America is a subcontinent. It is known for freedom and liberty. America is the populated subcontinent. Drawing American flag is very difficult. Now, it's time to draw our beloved Pakistan flag. Pakistan's flag include moon, which symbolizes minorities. Pakistan is also a populated country. It has 4 provinces. Let's start coloring the drawing. First off, all color Iran flag. Red and green color is used in coloring Iran flag. Sky blue color is used in Israel flag. Blue and red color is used in coloring America flag. Green color is used in Pakistan's flag. My drawing is almost complete. Hopefully, you will enjoy it. And learn something amazing. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.